Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML table borders. HTML table borders have borders of different styles and shapes. How to add a border? When you add a border to a table, you also add borders around each table cell. To add a border, use the CSS border property on table th and td elements. Don't forget, in our previous tutorial, we discussed about table th, which is the table header element, and td, which is the table data element. So quickly, let's style it. To style the table header and the the td element and also the table tag, what are we going to do? We are going to use this syntax. So quickly, let's copy this code, for example, and use it right now. Quickly, let's quickly use it so we can be able to do what we want to do. Now, this is how we do it. Come here, write star. We've discussed about it earlier. If you don't know how we got to this step, you can check our previous tutorial. But before I did this is our document. Firstly, let's see what is inside our document first. This is our document. This is where we have. We did this in our previous tutorial. So if you don't know how we got here, you can watch our previous tutorial on th, on table header, and also the table data, and also the tables. So that's where we got all these stuff you are seeing here. So right now, let's style this. We want to add border to our table. So now let's write syntax. What are we going to use? We are going to use the style attribute, the style tag from the HTML, along with what? The CSS property, along with the HTML table element. Let's just copy and paste the syntax. This is the syntax, but me, I want to do it from scratch because I know how it goes. So now let's write table. We want to style the table, this table here. We want to style it, so we will write table. After that, we will write comma. After that, we want to style what? We want to style the th and the td. So let's write the th, comma, the td, comma. Now you will do like this, no comma at the last one. Now let's do it like this. We want to use border, right? Border, we need, let's use 2 pixel solid red border and see what will happen. Can you see? See how our document looks. See how our document looks. And the funnest part for me, because I know how I can control this easily right now, so I can come here, I can change the way this looks and makes it looks as if there's nothing here. So I can just do like this. CR, don't let me use this right here right now, but let me do like this. The TR first child border. Border should be what? 2 pixel solid. But that should be none. Let's just say that should be none. Let's see what will happen here. No border here. No. No, I think this doesn't work here right now. We'll discuss about this later in the future tutorial. But I want to do something here right now. That's why. But we'll discuss about it later. Don't let it disconnect what we are learning. So right now we are using what? Table and the th and the td. This table defines the element. The table defines the table, and this one defines the header. The header, and also this one defines the data. So the thing I want to do here before is that I want to style this. I want to do like this style. I want to do like this automatic. I want to use automatically. I want to use automatic something before, but I was unable to do that. This is what I want to do. So I want to use automatic something before, but I was unable to do it. So as you can see, that's what I want to do before. So as you can see, everything is looking now. It's looking nice, right? We can still, in our future tutorial, we'll still talk about how we can style it more than this, that it will look more beautiful than all this. So I want you to keep following me along. We'll get to the top, to the root, and to the advanced level of this tutorial as we are going. If you don't know how we got to this level, you can watch our tutorial from the start. So, and also you can watch, if you want to watch it in short. Also, I'm trying to cut the playlist. You can check the playlist. I arrange the playlist, the one that talks about the table, the one that talks about the background, the one that talks about the designing, everything. You can watch my playlist to be able to see how I'm doing this gently for you guys to understand it better. So, anwar akorede ayofe is my name. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. So I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.